How do I enter employee stock purchase plan sales in Credit Karma Tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and then on the search bar, search for creditkarma.com. On this web page, click on the login option. Then you will have to enter some of your credentials on this login portal. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account option to create a new account. Now, enter your email ID. Then you want to enter your password and then click on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the income option. Then you want to look for the section related to stock sales, investment or capital gains. On that section, you will find an option to input information about stock sales or investment income. You want to look to the prompt related to ESPP sales or stock options. Once you click on that option, enter the necessary information about your employee stock purchase plan sales, including date of purchase, date of sale, the purchase price, the sale price, and any other relevant details. Review the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Then you want to continue through the tax filing process, following any additional prompts or questions that Credit Karma Tax provides. If you face any difficulty during this process, or if you are not able to find the ESPP sales or you are unsure about how to report them correctly, you simply want to contact the customer support of Credit Karma Tax. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.